Hi, I'm Renicol Biluan from BSCMT-8. We show how to find the deviation. For the given, we have gyro heading 94 degrees, magnetic heading 91 degrees, throw bearing 52 degrees, and gyro bearing 55 degrees. To get our gyro error, we need to minus throw bearing minus gyro bearing. Throw bearing 52 degrees, gyro bearing 55 degrees equals gyro error 3 degrees west. To get our throw heading, we need to minus the gyro heading and gyro error. For the gyro heading, we have 94 degrees minus gyro error 5 degrees is equal to throw heading 89 degrees. To get our compass error, we need through heading minus magnetic heading. Through heading 89 degrees minus magnetic heading 91 degrees is equal to 2 degrees. And for the variation, 2023 minus 2017 is equal to 6 degrees west. Then times 3 equals to 18 minutes. Then divide into 6 minutes is equal to 3 minutes. To find our present variation, 0.3 west minus 2 east is equal to present variation 1.7 east. To get our deviation, we need compass error 2 degrees west plus present variation 1.7 west is equal to deviation 3.7 west. That's all. Thank you.